Ladies and gentlemen, this might be the last time you guys might ever hear this crossing activated. This is obviously a malfunction. I don't know if it was caused by Hurricane Irma, but yeah, this crossing here is unused, right? It's the CSX S-Line Homestead Subdivision, milepost 60.67. Got a safe tren system signal base. It's an ungated crossing, but you can see that the lights are going off now. Obviously, there hasn't been a train here for years. This is track view southwest. As you can see over there, there's shrubs covering the tracks. This is track view northeast. You can hear that E-zinger. Then you got the relay case right there. Safe tren signal base as well. I've never heard this crossing activated before, so my first time. And this will probably be the last time, because as I said, CSX hasn't sent a train here in years, nor do they have any plans to. There's actually been talks of them trying to sell this line or do something with it, but yeah, as you can see, this this rail here is from 1926, which was when the line was originally built. 1925, yeah, 1926. That's the year it was built, 1926, to promote tourism to Homestead, which is just about maybe 10-15 miles down that way. See, what else can I tell you about the line? Yeah, it was originally built for passenger trains. That was discontinued in about the 60s or 70s. Then it was freight. This is an agricultural area here, so there's no industry other than strawberries and avocados, and as you can see, there's a nursery there. This is what it mostly is: nurseries and mangoes, avocados, limes, fruits, vegetables, things of that nature. Give you one last shot. As I said, this is not going to be you're probably not ever going to see this again, so this will be the way we sign off on this video. A tribute to this crossing. This is Southwest 232nd Street. Alrighty guys, please follow me on Instagram, RailROL82. Please subscribe or like. Thank you for viewing. Hello ladies and gentlemen, RailROL82 here with you, and welcome to 2025. This is what that crossing looks like nowadays. It's a shadow of its former self. Look at this. So you have all the signals folded down towards hell because it's dead. Yeah, it's crazy. So this was the same crossing that was activated in 2017 after Maria. Specifically, that one was the one you saw in the video. I'm gonna take you over there. But yeah, I was gonna get like a track view for you, but yeah, pretty much it's track view northeast and southwest. But yeah, there isn't anything to see. Look at the difference, like from that video to this one. Safe tren, right? Yeah, it's a safe tren gate mechanism. Sorry, signal base. There you got your emergency contact info. That's 1060 from Richmond, Virginia. It's implied. And yeah, that's all I got for you here. I mean, there's nothing else to see, you know. It's nuts. Guys and gals, please give me a thumbs up. Helps me in the YouTube algorithm. Subscriptions, comments, all that good stuff does. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.